There's a version of you that died, and you didn't even notice. It happened slowly. You stopped chasing the things you once loved. You let the world convince you that your dreams are unrealistic, that settling is just part of growing up. Without realizing it, you bury the part of yourself that believed life could be extraordinary. You tell yourself you're just being practical, that you're adapting, doing what's necessary, but deep down, you feel it. The emptiness of a life that's safe, but not truly lived. Every day, you spend ignoring your passions, your purpose. That version of you drifts further away. The tragedy isn't that they're gone, it's that you let them go. You chose comfort over courage, routine over risk. So ask yourself, are you really alive, or are you just existing? The life you've been dreaming of is still out there. The question is, will you go after it before it's too late?